Salam everyone, and yeah, hi. My name is Muhammad Shah and I'm a Pakistani tech YouTuber, and welcome to Toca Tech Unboxing. It's another day and you got another product to be unboxed. I've got an intriguing one here. It's a Zhiyun Smooth 4 Gimbal. Smooth 4? Yeah, it's a smooth name for a gimbal. So let's get on with it. Calling out our underdog, the arsenal. You know what I'm talking about. The knife, the big knife, the Toca. Bro, check them knife skills, yeah? So I'm getting better day by day. Check that sleek cut. So we are in. Let's quickly take that out. Oh, that's looking nice. Finally, it's not just standard cardboard packaging, but you get a styrofoam case packaging. So, no credentials? No credentials in the packaging as well. Oh, it's under the case. There you go, you got your Gimbal's credentials, Zhiyun written on it. This is what I usually call your not so important stuff. I'll just set that aside. The packaging is feeling great, yeah? It's not bulky or super small. I'm getting those secret agent vibes. It's like a movie scene where the agent opens the case and take out his gun and start thrashing the plate. Moving on, so in the box you get your standard gimbal and a tripod stand and your do not eat pouch. And something's missing here. Important notice. Bonjour, monsieur. This is not the first time that the product has been unboxed. This is even not mine. It was given by my friend who have opened this before. So I improvised and passed it up. But I forgot to put the most important thing. That is the USB Type-C cable. So I hope you got that and you don't mind that. So let's continue with our unboxing. Let's assemble our gimbal. It's looking nice. So on it you get two dogs. And on the front you get your menu button, your recording button, your object targeting button. There's your power button, your obvious power button, and the battery indicator lights. I've got my phone hooked up on it and it's not working. Did I break it already? I swear I didn't mean to. Seriously. Oh, it blinked. That's some serious transformer shice. So I found that the big dial is for adjusting your zoom or focus. And finally, the footage I taken using the gimbal itself. Now I know the quality ain't that great, but still, this is the most stable footage I've ever caught using any smartphone. There you go. You got an unboxing of a gimbal from Toca Tech Unboxing. What do you think about this video? I would love to hear your opinion. No, seriously, I would love to hear your opinion. So do hit the comment section. And if you like this video, consider subscribing. So until next episode, Khuda Hafiz. And yeah, bye.